look outside as we set off in the early winter morning of January towards our destination. Halfway there, we see these figures emerging out of the fog against the lights emitted by passing vehicles. So it's 5:30 in the morning and it's really cold outside. As you can see, it's still dark, but it's about to, the sun is about to rise, and we are on our way to the Joonbeel Mela, which is being held in the Moregaon district of Assam, where the people from the hills and the plains, they come together and exchange their agricultural produce and commodities, not by the means of money, but through barter system. Carrying sacks and pouches, some riding on bicycles, some on foot. Turns out that they are also heading towards the same venue to attend the much-awaited Joonbeel Mela organized by the Tiwa community. The nearly 500-year-old fair attracts a massive crowd from the hills and the plains of Assam and Meghalaya, who flock the 3-day fair and engage on the second day in what can be termed as the oldest form of commerce, the barter system. Come down to the plains and trade their agricultural produce and other goods with the people from the plains, with no money involved in the exchange, and anybody from anywhere can take part in the barter.
ये ग्लोबलाइजेशन का जो एज है, अभी तो हम लोग का ये सिस्टम चल रहा है गुफा राजा का अंदर में। अभी आप देखा है कोई यहाँ पे जो करेंसी नहीं चल रहा है, करेंसी थोड़ा सा यहाँ में विकल हो जाता है। 6th सेंचुरी गुफा किंगडम ये जो इस्टेब्लिश होते हैं 6th सेंचुरी, ठीक 12th सेंचुरी से पहले ये चल रहा है, अभी तक चल रहा है। देखिए आप लोग तो कितना आदमी आए हैं, नियर अबाउट 1 लाख लोग आए हैं।
So I've got about half a kg of sugar with me that I got from all the way from the city. Now let's see what I get in exchange with this for this packet of sugar. So বাইদেউ আপুনি কি দিব মোক মই এটো দিউ যদি চেনি to দিউ So I've got, so in exchange for 2 cups of sugar, I've got 2 cups of beaten rice. So which is really interesting because this is a fair where money has no value. So I'm a bit late because they've already sold out their fish and the turmeric that they had. So this is the only thing that they have with them. So they are giving it to me. So they are quite generous because I just gave them 2 cups of sugar, but they've given me around 4 cups of beaten rice, which is not bad actually.
While it was still foggy and the sun yet to rise in its full glory, the venue, Dayang Belguri, was already hustling and bustling with activities. With the air filled with excitement, laughter and sounds of people haggling. With the barter trade lasting only for a few hours, people don't waste any time at all and get down to business before the best produce goes away. All kinds of stuff ranging from ginger, turmeric, chilies, herbs, pounded rice, dried fish are exchanged between the people without even understanding each other's languages, but endearingly addressing each other as Mama and Mami.
হালি খলাব হয় এটা 10 বছৰ মান হৈছে হালুটো নিও কচু নিও আকৌ মানে ৰঙালাও নিও বিৰাবুনিয়া লৈ এনেকৈ কৰি লৈ যায় থাকো আহি থাকো পিঠা আনো আৰু বিহুত মানে তেল পিঠা আকৌ তিল পিঠা আৰু জলপান আৰু মাছ এনেকৈ লৈ আহে পাহাৰ চাইডৰ পৰা আমাৰ ইফালে হলে ইফালে মৰিগাঁও জিলা পাও আহে নগাঁও জিলা পাও আহে এনেকৈ কৰি মানে গোটেই খবে আহে আৰু গাঁও অঞ্চলৰ মানুহবিলাকে
So the other thing, apart from the fact that there is no money exchange here, the other thing that is very fascinating is that this lady over here, she has come all the way from Meghalaya, and this lady over here, she's from Assam, and both of them, they don't understand each other's language. They are exchanging commodity, they are exchanging agricultural produce, but they don't understand their languages, but they are happy. So I'll try and sneak in a little bit of money. Let's see how these people react. I'll pretend that I don't have anything to offer them in exchange except for money. So let's see. This is a little bit of an experiment here. So
বাইদেউ মোৰ তাত মানে বস্তু একো নাই মোৰ তাত অকল পইচাটো আছে পইচা দি কিবা পাম নে
পইচাটো একো নাই আমি এইটো পৰম্পৰা আমি পইচা দিলেও মানে নোপোৱা নাযায় আমি এইটো মানে খলালে আমি সেইটো হেৰি কৰোঁ
কিবা পাম নে পইচা দি কিনা
কিবা
এটা ল'ব বিচাৰি
আমাৰ মানে এইটো আগৰ পৰা এইটো নিয়মে যে আমাৰ এইটো মানে এইটো বিনিময় প্ৰথা আমি বিনিময়তহে মানে বস্তু দিওঁ কিন্তু পইচা নলওঁ
So you can see these people there, they actually stick to their tradition. There is no way on earth that you can nudge them towards, exchanging something for money. This is very interesting because outside, the city life that we come from, money is the only thing that matters to people nowadays. But here, money has no value at all.
Etu ami etu moromor paharor mamai mama hot ahe. Ami amar gaor pra khando diu. Teuluke ada ane, haldi ane, kosu ane, rongalaw ane, bibhinno bostu ane. Ami e teulugor lot binimoy koru. আন্তৰিকতা মৰম চেনে আমি বজাই ৰাখিছো এটো আমাৰ পৃথিৱীৰ বিখ্যাত মাৰ্কেট এই আজিৰ কাৰণে ইয়াত মুদ্ৰাৰ কোনো কাম নাই
Nobody cares to know whether one is a Tiwa, Karbi, Khasi or Jaintia or from hills or plains or from Assam or Meghalaya. A rare sighting that reinstates your faith in humanity, communal harmony and the simpler way of life. I'm amidst the members of the Karbi community, and this is the Jakoi and this is the Khaloi. This is the equipment with which these people over here catch fish in the Junbil Lake, which is the lake after which the entire Junbil Mela is named after. See these people here from different communities, they have actually gathered here and they are actually participating in a community fishing. And then, this lake, it's actually named after the fact that it's in the shape of a crescent, which is why it's called Jonbil, which translates into the moon lake. So this is the activity that takes place on the second day, just after the barter trade that takes place in the early morning hours of the second day of the 3-day fair.
Mori long lagi ja, dhori long lagi ja.
While we were drawn towards the Junbil Mela to witness the fascinating barter trade that takes place here, since it is arguably India's only fair where the ancient barter trade system is still alive. The other thing that strikes out the most is the amalgamation of different cultures and communities. Despite the fact that they don't understand each other's languages, they communicate through the language of love and compassion, which is reflective in the various activities that takes place here during the 3-day fair. And I can't help but be a part of it. Itu ki banaise apuni?